Welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how you can change the homepage content from admin panel using our drag and drop page builder. You can change all the stuff of homepage, all the content. You can sort around the section. You can put this section above if you want. Let's jump into the admin panel to showcase you how you can do this. Go to admin panel, search pages here. So click on all pages. Here you will see the current home page is selected is this one. So you have to make sure that you are changing the current page. If you see this home page tag along with the page title, that means this page is currently selected as a home page. To edit this page content, we need to click on open page builder. Click on open page builder. It will show you a interface like this. In the right side you will see all the page builder add-on available for build page as you want. So we will try with the first editing this November Gadget Madness into December Gadget Madness. So let's back to the page. Click on the arrow icon and change this to December and scroll down. Just click on the save changes. Data is saved. Back to the home page. Reload this page. Here as you can see it is changed to the December. So what if you want to add any new section into this area? So let's try with the testimonial. Just drag it into the after this. You can put it actually anywhere. Let me put it in after the banner sections. Testimonial area. Here let me put a title, testimonial test title. Name, give it a name, Sharipur. What is the review customer left? This is the position, institution, rating is actually 5. So we can upload any image. Let's just select this one. Fine. So click on add another plus icon. It will add another review for so change the name. Just click on the save changes button. Back to the website, reload the page. If you scroll down, you can see the testimonial add-on is actually added. If you add all the information properly, it will show a style and align properly. In my case, I haven't put everything properly. That is why it looks like this. So this is actually how you can modify or add new section in the home page or any other pages available in the Safecart. You can basically change all the pages available here using the page builder. So let me share another thing, guys. So when you create a new page so that you can start editing with the page builder, let me show you why create a new page. Click on add new page. This is new page. To enable page builder, click on page builder enable disable, click on yes. Now the page builder is enabled. You can select any header variant you want for this page, particular page. You want to show breadcrumb or not. In my case, currently I want to show breadcrumb. It's like leave it empty. It will automatically generate it for yourself. And click on add new page. The page is created. Back to the all pages. There is the title, and now click on the add open home page. Let's just put this about us area. Click here and click on the arrow to settings. Here is title. This is a description. Make it non-bold. You can put the color here as well. Let me upload an image. Put this one for now. Image position is right. If I click on the save changes, click on the view page, as you can see the add-on is added. It is depend on the text and content and the image size, which is depend on the image size. It will show in differently. If you want to see how it will look like in the preview, you can just hover on it. You can get an idea how it will look like when you put all the content. So this is actually how you can edit any page content or create any page using our page builder. It has given you the unlimited possibility. You can do it as you own, how you want. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.